If you've thought about starting a YouTube channel, you've probably also heard that little voice in your head, the one that tells you you're too late, that ship has sailed, and the creator economy is a young person's game. Well, I'm here to tell you that voice is flat out wrong. Not only is it not too late, but your age is the single greatest advantage you have. The creator economy is growing up, and it is moving well beyond the silly trends, and it's into a phase right now where expertise and trust and real-world experience are the most valuable currencies. And you, with your decades of life, you are uniquely positioned to win. So forget about trying to compete with 20-year-olds. You don't have to. Their game is not your game. In this video, I'm going to cut through all the noise, all the bullshit, and I'm going to show you the 3 specific areas where you need to focus on to use your wisdom and turn your wisdom into a sustainable and profitable channel. And this isn't about chasing viral fads. It's about building a real, lasting business. If you're new here, my name is Rob Jarrett, and after 20 plus years as an entrepreneur, producer, and coach, I'm jumping into the creator economy myself. And this is a brand new channel, brand new business, and I'm sharing everything I learn with you. So won't you subscribe and join the conversation? The creator economy is projected to be worth over $500 billion by 2030. And get this, the average creator isn't a teenager. According to a recent Adobe study, they're 40-year-olds. Our generation isn't just showing up, man, it is becoming a powerhouse. And brands are now actively seeking out what they call silver influencers or second actors or grandfluencers, because they know that authenticity and life experience, they build a level of trust that you just simply can't fake. And it turns out that younger audiences are often drawn into the way that older creators present themselves. So let's stop worrying about that it's too late, and let's start focusing on what actually moves the needle. As we are getting started, everything I'm about to talk about is in my free creator kickstart kit. Tons of great information. It'll make this a lot easier and a lot more successful from the start. The link to that free download is in the description below. So the very first thing you need to focus on is building a diversified and resilient business from day one. Please do not fall into the trap of thinking that YouTube is their ad revenue is the final goal. It is not. It's a starting point, and frankly, it's one of the least reliable paychecks that you'll have. The problem is most new creators equate YouTube success with getting monetized, the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. And while that is a great milestone to hit, relying only on ad revenue is like building a house on sand. Ad rates fluctuate, your viewers can dip without warning, and YouTube can change the rules at any time. And you have zero control of that. The solution is to start thinking like a business, not just a YouTuber. Your channel is the top of your marketing funnel. It is the engine that brings people in, but it is not the entire business. And the most successful creators, they don't have one income stream. They will have several, and they will work them all hard. So what does this actually look like? Well, it means building multiple revenue streams that leverage your unique expertise. And don't let that overwhelm you. You can start incredibly small, and the easiest place to begin is with affiliate marketing. Just think about the tools, the books, the products that you already use and genuinely love in your area of expertise, whether you're a gardener, a financial advisor, a woodworker, a coach. You can share links to those products, and it costs your audience nothing, but it earns you a very small commission, and more importantly, starts building that business mindset. And from there, think about creating your first digital product. This is where your life experience becomes a real tangible thing. It could be a simple ebook, a downloadable guide, a pack of templates, or a mini course. And the beauty with a digital product is that you create them once, and then they generate income for years. You don't need fancy tech. You can just write a guide in a simple document and then sell it on a platform like Gumroad or StanStore or like me, Systemio. The goal here is to establish some stability. When you have multiple income streams, one slow month doesn't sink the whole ship. And this gives you the freedom to create content that you love, serving your audience authentically instead of, desperately chasing clicks just to pay the bills. And this is how you turn a hobby into a sustainable long-term business that functions on the wisdom, the smarts, the brains that you bring to the table. The second critical area is moving from a borrowed audience to an owned audience. And this, I think, is the most important strategic shift you can make, especially as a creator. So here's the deal. Your subscribers on YouTube, your followers on TikTok, your connections on any social media platform, and for that matter, your customers on Amazon, you don't actually own that audience. You are borrowing them from the platform. At any moment, the algorithm can change and crush your reach. Your account could be suspended for a reason that you don't really even understand, and bang, it is all gone. Your entire relationship with your audience lives and dies on one platform. If your entire relationship with your audience lives and dies on one platform, your business is on very shaky ground. And the solution is to build an email list. I know that sounds old school, but an email list is the only digital asset that you will truly own and control. It is a direct line to your most loyal followers, and no algorithm can ever touch it. When someone trusts you with their email address, they're raising their hand. They're like, hey, I want to hear more from you. And that is a very powerful signal. So think about it. YouTube's job is to keep people on YouTube. Your job is to build a real relationship with the people who value your specific knowledge. An email list lets you do that completely on your own terms. So how do you start? Well, it is much simpler than you think. You offer something valuable for free in exchange for an email. It's often called a lead magnet. And if you teach gardening, it could be a one-page PDF, top 10 mistakes new gardeners make. If you offer financial advice, maybe it's a simple monthly budgeting template. You can set it up with services like ConvertKit or MailChimp or even writer-focused platforms like Substack. Then you just mention it in your videos like, hey, if you want my free guide to container gardening, the link is right down in the description. And in my case, it is my Creator Kickstart Kit. Free to download, link is in the description. See? So once you have that, you can nurture that relationship. Share behind the scenes content, offer exclusive tips, let them know when a new video is out. And this is how you build a true community. This is how you turn passive viewers into a loyal tribe that will champion your work for years to come. It's the difference between being social media personality and being the CEO of your own media company. And the third and final focus is mastering the art of strategic long-term brand relationships. And the key words are in strategic and long-term. This is not about grabbing a quick one-off sponsorship. There's a huge misconception that brands are only interested in beautiful, young, trendy influencers, and this could not be further from the truth. The market is shifting. Brands are getting tired of paying for transactional, inauthentic posts that nobody actually believes. They are desperately looking for trusted voices who can build a real connection with a specific audience, one that they are looking for. And that's where you come in. Your age and authenticity, that is precisely what makes you so valuable. Brands that want to reach mature audiences with actual purchasing power are actively seeking out creators who are over 50. Major companies in the beauty, wellness, and lifestyle partnering with older influencers because they know that they can trust them. And trust is the ultimate goal, and it's the ultimate marketing tool. The key is to position yourself not as an influencer for hire, but as a strategic partner. Be incredibly selective. Only partner with brands and products that you genuinely use and products and services that you believe in. Your audience trusts you for your life experience, and breaking that trust for a quick paycheck is the fastest way to kill your credibility. And then next, instead of just waiting for brands to find you, create a professional media kit. This is just a simple document that introduces who you are, who your audience is, your key stats, and I will tell you this, engagement is way more important to a brand than subscriber count. Then talk about the types of partnerships that you offer. Pitch retainers and long-term collaborations instead of one-off videos. Frame it as a partnership where you will weave their product story authentically into your content over 3 to 6 months. And this is so much more valuable to a brand than a single shout out because it builds belief over time. It shows your audience that this brand is a real part of my world. And it creates a stable, predictable income for you. You are a consultant, a storyteller, and a creative director, not just a talking billboard. And when you approach brands with that mindset, you completely change the dynamic. You're not asking for a handout, you're offering a valuable service that gets real results. Those are the 3 big ones. Diversify your income, own your audience with an email list, and build strategic brand partnerships. And if you focus on these, you won't just have a channel, you'll have a business. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 areas feels like the biggest opportunity and the biggest challenge for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey and your questions are what make this community great. And I do my best to read everyone and respond to each of them as well. So I will get to as many as I can. And hey, if you found this valuable and you want more strategies built specifically for creators who are leveraging their life experience, make sure you subscribe. We're building something really special here. And the most important thing I want you to walk away with is this. Your age is not a liability. It's a superpower. In an economy that is desperate for authenticity, wisdom, and trust, you are perfectly positioned to win. You don't need to be flashy or trendy. You just need to be you and build a smart business around the incredible value you already bring. Check out this video right here and get a huge head start on your creator journey. Download my Creator Kickstart Kit, and it is in the description below.